golden hour. I don't feel good. Okay, hold on. I did not plan to film this video. I planned to film a different video, but I'm sick. I can take myself down, I can't hold my own head. Did you like that song? No. Did you like it when I sung it? Yeah. My Christmas tree is still not taken down. I'm sick. I tried to wake up and get ready so I can feel better, and I do feel better. It hurts to speak right now, so I'm trying my best. I did not plan to film this video. I planned to film a different video, but I'm sick. My brother gave me Tylenol. Love you, bro. I think I have a cold or the flu. It's one or the other, but I just like woke up at like 3 a.m. with like midnight sweats. I was also so nauseous. No. Why did I have to get sick, bruh? We're gonna go to the store, make some chicken soup. Homemade chicken soup. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now because I don't feel good and I look really bad. This is kind of embarrassing, but this is me. Okay, I'll see you at the store. Not the prime. Powerade, Gatorade, which popsicles I'm doing. Just in case. I don't feel good. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna run actually because I'm just so cold. Like, guys, I don't think you understand how cold it is right now. I can't even see anything. This is what we're gonna cook the soup in. Hello, it's the next day. I just went to my doctor's appointment. I'm sorry I didn't film last night. I was so sick. I did not feel good. I just couldn't do anything. But I'm about to go get Taco Bell and I might go to work. So I guess you'll see then. So I just cleaned like this whole area. Guys, this is my setup now. It's so boring, but this is where I used to play Dress to Impress. The good old days. I'm gonna take that bag out and those bags down to storage. These are all my clothes that I have to wash. So that's gonna be fun. Right, Ollie? Yeah, dry on. You're tired all day. You never let mommy sleep. But yeah, that's all the laundry I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to pick up a little bit more because it's still really messy. Okay, it's like an hour later and I just doom scrolled. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I think I'm just not feeling well and I wanted a little break. But why is it that we sit on the bed for 1 second and then automatically we're on TikTok? This is why TikTok should have been banned. Still got all this mess that I had to attend to, so let's do that now. Okay, golden hour. So let's go do some laundry. So I'm doing laundry. My brother's apartment, they don't have a washer and dryer like in the apartment itself. So I literally have to drive to the laundromat. My nose is running, still sick. It's in the same complex, but it's all the way down the other side. So I have to drive there because there's no way I'm walking with all that laundry. My throat hurts. I'm moving soon, hopefully sooner than I want to. Oh my gosh, sorry. So I'm moving soon, but I'm staying with my brother temporarily. I know I said I'll get into it one day, the full story. We need to get our priorities straight. I don't trust these laundry rooms because a couple months ago I did laundry here and someone stole my laundry. Like they didn't steal all of it, but they stole some of it. And I was like, bruh, I don't want to do laundry here anymore. Ever since then, I'm always dreading doing the laundry and it's just such a hassle. So I definitely want to find an apartment with a washer and dryer in the apartment. But yeah, let's pray our laundry doesn't get stolen again. Okay, let's do some laundry. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a vlog of doing errands. Would you guys want to see that? I don't know. I don't know if it'd make you feel motivated. I don't know. Leave down in the comments what kind of vlogs you'd like to see. But I already have a lot of ideas. I feel like the beginning of the vlog went by so slow. That was the reality of it. Like, I felt so slow. But today I feel a lot more motivated. So that's why I feel like I can get a lot more done. But I'm definitely still sick. Like, my throat hurts still. But that's why I have my water. Enough yapping. Let's go do some laundry. Much later. I just woke up. Yesterday, I just finished laundry. I finished this whole area. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like now. It looks like this now. And then the desk looks super clean. And my dead plant over there. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I feel a lot better today. But yeah, yesterday I did most of my chores. I feel a lot better today. I feel more clean. I kind of like redid my bed in like a different way. I like did it with this and I switched the pillows, which was nice. Sometimes when I want to feel like clean and I guess like renewed, I try to like
like switch around certain things so it feels new even though it's not new, like without buying new stuff. And it works. Today is kind of just, I have to go to work, so I'm not gonna film. I feel like whenever I'm sick, I try to stay busy. I hate when like throughout my day, I'm just like not getting anything done. I don't know why. I'm just one of those types of people where I always have to be doing something. And the moment I'm not doing something, I feel like I'm wasting time. And I know that's really bad and I need to stop that. You need to sit down. Like you need to relax. But yeah, my days are always very sporadic and I want to get them more into a routine. So like these routine videos that I'm gonna be doing soon, like hopefully will help me because I'm really bad at that. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on my days. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Ollie.